Hello, welcome to darnthatyarn.com's crochet tutorial series, Beginner Basics. Today we'll cover single crochet stitch. Here we have 15 chain stitches, and that's our foundation. So now we're going to start the first row in single crochet. We're going to begin our first single crochet stitch in the second chain from the hook. So there's your loop, there's your first chain from the hook, there's your second chain from the hook. You'll see it forms sort of a V shape. You go in between the two pieces of yarn there. You draw your hook under and over, which is called a yarn over. And you're going to draw that through the chain stitch. Now you have two loops on your hook. Once you have those two loops, you're going to go ahead and yarn over again. And you're going to draw through both loops. That's a single crochet. So you're going to go ahead and continue to single crochet through to the end so that I can show you how to turn and do a second row of single crochet. We have 15 single crochet. Before I show you the second row, I want to just show you how to recognize single crochet stitches. First of all, you have a right side and a wrong side of any work that you're working on, and the stitches will look slightly different from which side you're looking at. This is the side we were working as we were going from right to left to complete our single crochets. You'll see there's that V shape that we had with the chain stitch that you can see quite clearly from the right side of the work. When you turn it over and you look at the wrong side of the work, you can see two strands. This is part of your V, and this is the loop that was on your hook when you drew through the two loops. Now, it's important to recognize where those stitches are, because sometimes you're going to want to perform your next stitch through both of these loops, or through only the front or only the back. So right now we are going to go ahead and put the loop back on our hook so that we can do a second row of single crochet. Now for single crochet, you're going to go ahead, when you're done with that row, you're going to chain one. You're going to go ahead and yarn over and draw through the loop on your hook. That gives you room to turn your work around. Now, those two loops that we were looking at the top, you're going to put your hook underneath those two loops. So you have both loops on there, which is a space pretty easily accessed by your hook there. So you're going to go through the two loops, you're going to yarn over, you're going to pull through and bring so that you have the two loops on your hook now, yarn over again, and draw through both loops. Now you have your first single crochet on your second row. You can go ahead and continue to do that, and any subsequent rows of single crochet you would chain one to give you room to turn, and you would go ahead and continue crocheting single crochet into the next row just the same. This is a good stitch to use to make, if you're using cotton yarn, to make washcloths. It's a good stitch for beginners to use to make scarves. There are quite a few projects that you can do just to get you started, get you used to evening out your tension, making sure all your stitches are the same. That's a single crochet. Have fun. Bye.